Good morning on this Monday. Monday looks like a misting rainy day maybe, but we're gonna keep our fingers crossed. So we got our little sunshine in here with our poopers, and they chasing her around. Say, let's play, girl. You might be bigger, but we've got mini. Sunshine, you better be nice. Oh, our puppies are so eager to see us and get their Monday going this morning. Sunshine, you better be nice. Hey, somebody little pooper. Pooper said, "Ruff, ruff." We thought we'd film them before we feed them this Monday morning. Sunshine evidently got over all of her worries. She was practically healed up when she got back, though. She's showing her oats out there with the little poopers. Here's little pink collar. Michelle's little dark collar in my lap. And Chris is a dark golden boy right there. We got Abby's light golden girl biting on somebody, as usual. I think she does that a lot, though. Got some puppies out there wrestling around, though, in the mix of it. No? Who's this you? I can't see the collar for nothing. Who is that, guys? Is that Toby? No, that's, yeah, that's Toby. Right there. And that's Lucy right there. Who's this you, little pooper? Oh, there's Toby again. And Skylar, here's your little golden boy right there. And we got a few. I bet you that's Rachel's golden collar boy. How you doing, little Tinkerbutt? Oh, puppies are so happy to see us. See me, I guess. Let's see what we got going on behind us. I'll show you how to play this doggy. You better be nice, Sunshine. You be rough of any of them, and I'm gonna put you out and give you a little whooping. No, they are so little. It wasn't too long ago she was in here playing with all the other puppies from Christmas, though. And she still remembers it, though. Aww. Aw, you must be go-collar, little pooper. Who's that little pooper? That's Chris's little dark golden boy. They're showing their oats this morning. Aww. There's Abby's again, and Skylar's dark golden boy. Then we got Goat Collar biting on somebody there. And there's Lacey right there, guys. What's you doing, you beautiful little golden pooper? Oh, who's this you? That's Courtney's camouflage little boy right there. Hey, guys. Oh, boy, our time sure is running down, guys. And, boy, we seem like we got some bad weather coming. I gotta keep reminding myself, though, that that's Jake right there. It's just a temporary home for them, and sooner or later, all my puppies gonna go home to their loved ones, though. Lord, I sure am gonna miss them all, and miss all that great love and gold they've been retrieving for me. I'll show you how to do it. Oh, hey, Tooper, you can't take it down. You big old girl. There's Charlie right there. He's wrestling with somebody. Sunshine, I need to get you. He's bigger than me. It's Toby and Charlie. Aww. Who's it we got up there? I bet that's Rachel's gold collar boy right up there. Hey guys, you gonna go do some monkeying around, little Abby girl? What's you doing, little Tinkerbutt? That is, I want to say that's Melissa's. Yeah, Melissa's. Melissa's red collar of double paws. I bet that's Gina's black collar right there. I think that is right there. And that's Lady, Will's Lady right there biting on me a little bit. And that's the blue collar with paws right there. Couple of puppies running up there to see who that is way up there though, guys. Gosh, man, I can only cross my fingers though, but about this weather though, I guess we've had to look at that little pooper coming running out. I won't get you. That's Michelle's little dark golden girl. Yes, it is. I've seen you, sweetie. You're so ferocious sometimes. I'll be ferocious with that red duck. There's Daddy over there checking them out. I'd kind of like to get Daddy in here for once. Bo! Hey, Bo. Okay. Bo, come on, Bo. Let's see if we can get Daddy in here for once. No, all the guys will come in. Bo. Come on, Bo. Only Bo. Bo, come on, Bo. Bo. I don't guess he would. Did Luke come in here real quick, though? Aw. Come on, Bo. Well, let's just show Daddy real quick, though. There's Big Dad right there. He's been a great dad, too. It's the reason why a lot of these puppies are going to be dark. There. Okay, come on, puppers. Poopin' poopers! Poopers! 10 feet, 11 poopers! Oh my goodness, guys! Come on, poopers! Oh my goodness, guys! Dial 911! Ferocious attack by 11 little golden poopers! A lot of them stayed at the gate, though. Poopers! And now they're all outside doing their playing. Though. Hey, y'all, please try to remember it's always cash when you pick up your puppies, because you already have the registration papers and you'll have the puppies. So it has always been cash only thing, though, guys. And I have worked really hard on these Goldens for y'all, though. Enjoyed it, though. It really is a very enjoyable thing, though. But work will get really rough here in the next days to come with this rain, though. Puppers! Daddy's still standing out there staring at him. Little kids there. Puppers! Puppers! Okay, guys, I better go ahead and cut this. Better bring in their food, though. Come on, puppers! So we want mama! Yeah, we want mama! Puppers! Come on, puppers! Come on, guys! Food time, guys! Monday morning breakfast. Okay, guys. Come on, poopers. They won't play bad, huh? I'm not finished playing this morning. Oh, look at them two guys. But we're not ready to eat yet. I'm monkeying around this morning. That's, like that's Melissa's double red paw. Well, if I can see your collar, that's Jake. That was Jake and Melissa's red collar. Okay, guys, we better cut it out, though. It's breakfast time for our little poopers. Yeah, this is Rick. Hoping everybody has a mighty great day, guys. Adios.
Ew.